Hi, I'm Andy Morris and I'm delighted to be the newly elected Western European CSO Panel representative for UNCCD and the Executive Director of the British Society of Soil Science. Healthy soils are crucial in reversing desertification, mitigating climate change and biodiversity loss. They have the superpower. They absorb lots of water, they store lots of carbon, and they support the plant life vital for our future health and well-being. But when they become degraded and eroded, they lose this superpower. Water runs off the soils, carbon is released, and they're no longer able to support and function as they should do. Healthy soils mean a healthy planet, a healthy life, healthy people, and a brighter future. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Elena Taro Crichton, representing Africa on the UNCCD CSO Panel. Across our continent, desertification is not a future threat. It's a daily crisis. It affects water, food, health, nutrition, and education, and the very survival of our communities, especially women, children, youth, and the vulnerable groups. Land restoration is about restoring dignity, justice, and peace.
I'm Sofiko Papalashvili, representing Central and Eastern Europe on the UNCCD CSO Panel. Land degradation in our region is accelerating, which is further exacerbated by applying conventional agricultural practices and insufficient enactment of current policies and action plans. We must ensure that no one is left behind, especially young people and rural communities. This is our moment to reclaim lands and restore ecosystems.
I'm Romeo, UNCCD CSO Panel representative for Asia. I am CEO of Shubhopera Youth Development Foundation, the largest youth-led NGO of the People's Republic of Bangladesh. In Asia, desertification threatens millions. Restoring land is not just an on-land environment. It's about justice, food, and survival for our most vulnerable communities. Restoring land means restoring justice, livelihoods, and hope for millions of vulnerable people across our region.
I am Maribel Sanchez from Aider, Peru, representing Latin America and the Caribbean on the UNCCD CSO Panel. In our region, forests are life, and when land degrades, that life is lost. Restoring ecosystems is about nature, about communities, about indigenous knowledge, and about building resilient futures.